My game is called Cuboid, which is a puzzle platformer. This is the perfect run through. Controls of the game is WASD and spacebar to move and jump, and mouse to aim. The first thing you notice is two boxes which are green and white, representing left mouse button and right mouse button. When you turn left, you see a green glowing object. Once I collect the green object, the green box is filled. Now when I press left mouse button, it fires a green projectile. The green projectile on the black surface applies a push effect on the cube. And now you see a white glowing object. The white box is filled once I collect it. I press right mouse button and shoot the white projectile, but nothing happens. I shot the green projectile and it does nothing either. But when I shoot it again, the cube will start to move back and forth along the axis. Now I use the white projectile to remove all green surfaces on the cube. I use these mechanics to create interesting puzzles for my level. The player agency is appealing since there could be multiple ways to solve a single puzzle. My game is called Cuboid, which is a puzzle platformer. For the semi-perfect run-through, I let a friend of mine play the game. Now you see that the player has made a mistake. But it's okay since the player can backtrack to re-attempt the puzzle. For my sophisticated technology, it's my cube, and it's made out of 6 planes. So I constructed it myself. The cube has a um, boolean which helps me check which axis it is locked in and which axis it can move in. So here it is checked in all axes, and um, this is shown later with the cube changing textures. So when it has a black border, it means that you can shoot the green projectile at it, but if it has a white, completely white surface, then it will not detect any projectiles. So the event graph is this one. First, I will explain my event heat. So my event heat, it will check whether or not the other component is, the other object is a projectile. So if it is, it will have either a white or green tag. And then I will detect which surface it is hit on and what texture it currently has. This will help me set the material over here. So for example, if it's a white projectile, I will set it to draw material, everything. And then I will also set um, everything, uh, some surfaces back to white color. So back to here, if it is a green projectile, then I will have to break heat result and set the appropriate surfaces to green. So here, when I break the vector of the heat, I will get my values for behavior x, y, and z, which will come in handy when determining the movement behavior of the cube. Um, so after I set x, y, and z, I will check again if the same surface has been hit. If this has a green glow, then I will set my behavior x, y, and z to either 2 or -2 so that it can tell my script to get it to bounce back and forth. Yeah. This is controlled by my flip vector here. So once it hits something, it will probably uh, make my flip vector multiply by -1 and set it and change its behavior here.